Global warming is a pressing environmental issue that has garnered significant attention in recent years. It refers to the gradual increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, primarily caused by human activities that release large amounts of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a rise in global temperatures. The effects of global warming are far-reaching and devastating. Rising temperatures have led to melting of polar ice caps, resulting in sea level rise, which poses a significant threat to coastal regions and islands. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts, have become more frequent and intense, causing loss of life and property. The changing climate has also led to the spread of diseases, loss of biodiversity, and disruptions to food production and supply chains. The main causes of global warming are the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and land use changes, which release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The production and use of consumer goods, mining, and waste disposal also contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. The effects of global warming are not limited to environmental degradation, they also have significant economic and social implications. Several countries are already experiencing the impacts of global warming. Low-lying islands, such as the Maldives and Tuvalu, are at risk of disappearing due to rising sea levels. Coastal cities, like Miami and New Orleans, are experiencing more frequent flooding due to sea level rise and extreme weather events. Countries with limited resources, such as Somalia and South Sudan, are struggling to adapt to the changing climate, which is exacerbating food insecurity and conflict. To control global warming, it is essential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly. This can be achieved through a transition to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, and increasing energy efficiency in buildings and transportation. Protecting and reforestation efforts can also help to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Additionally, adopting sustainable land use practices, reducing waste, and promoting sustainable consumption patterns can also help to mitigate the effects of global warming. Individuals can also play a crucial role in controlling global warming. Simple actions, such as using public transport, carpooling, or driving electric vehicles, can significantly reduce carbon emissions. Using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and insulating homes can also help to reduce energy consumption. Furthermore, adopting a plant-based diet, reducing food waste, and choosing products with minimal packaging can also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Governments and international organizations also have a critical role to play in controlling global warming. They can implement policies to promote the use of renewable energy, increase energy efficiency, and encourage sustainable land use practices. They can also provide financial and technical support to developing countries to help them adapt to the changing climate. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, can also help to coordinate global efforts to address global warming. In conclusion, global warming is a pressing environmental issue that requires immediate attention and action. The causes of global warming are primarily human activities that release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The effects of global warming are far-reaching and devastating, and several countries are already experiencing its impacts. To control global warming, it is essential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly, and individuals, governments, and international organizations all have a critical role to play in this effort.